Okay, I need you to accept this challenge. Do not turn off this video when I use a word that everybody wants to turn off the video right away. Life insurance. Oh my gosh, here we go. He's trying to sell life insurance. Stop it. That's not what I'm talking about. Think about life insurance this way. You're young, you have your first child. If something happens to you, let's say in my household, I was the one out earning the bread, earning the living. Well, I needed life insurance in case something happened to me to protect her and that child. That's what term life insurance is for. That's not what I'm talking about today. That's great. I want to talk about using life insurance as an actual investment for life and beyond. Now, here's what I'm talking about. With all the scary stuff going on in the markets, with banking crises and everything else, guess who's not being affected? Life insurance companies. Listen to me. Life insurance. Life insurance if you die too soon. Yeah, I died before I was financially ready to take care of my family. That's life insurance. Life insurance in case I became ill. Hold on a minute. You're talking about long-term care? Stop it. I am not a fan of traditional long-term care insurance. It's too expensive. It goes up year after year after year. You hit age brackets, it continues to go up. It becomes an uncontrollable in a written retirement plan, a written life plan, a financial plan. And what happens to your money if you don't use it? There's a way to use life insurance to insure for long-term care so that if you never need long-term care, you still get to use the money for other things, or if you do need long-term care, you've got the money available for it. That's pretty cool. How about this? Life insurance in case you live too long. You say, wait a second, Mark, what do you mean by live too long? Living too long meaning you're going to need more money in your life. There's a way to use something called life insurance for this. This is some statistics that I think are incredible. More than 50% of Americans rely on two incomes to get by, but yet they're underinsured. The average American will leave $61,554 in debt when they pass away, the average American. And most of my clients are certainly not average, and so debt is something we want to be taken care of when we pass away, not pass it on to someone else. How about this? I love this stat. 39% of Americans will be diagnosed with cancer in their lifetime. My wife was one of those, having suffered through breast cancer. There's a way to insure and protect your life with something called living benefit insurance. So using the rules of life insurance for things like tax-free wealth, tax-free income, but using it for living benefits. None of us, newsflash, none of us are getting out of here alive. So that's great. Hopefully you know where you're going when you die. I certainly do. But what about using life insurance for a benefit for while I'm alive? Things like tax-free income, things like illness. If I got ill, I had a lump sum of money that would be available for myself while I was alive, not dead, while I was alive, to help me. Long-term care or death benefit protection. How about one tool that could accomplish all of those things? People say, Mark, I've heard of this before, I've heard of it. Were you aware of the changes in regulation that has caused life insurance premiums to drop for many Americans? You may currently have life insurance, but it's what we call the old style of life insurance that doesn't offer all of the updated benefits that are available to you now. And for many people, you can replace your insurance with a better, improved policy, and it doesn't have to cost you an arm and two legs to do it. You need to have a review of your life insurance and see if life insurance can be one of the missing parts of your retirement plan.